Hello, my YouTube fans. I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but I am so excited to be back because I really have been missing you all. But today, I got my famous chicken, and I'm going to share with you my recipe, how I do it, and how I bake it. I think you'll be really excited about it if you try it, and it is really good. And but I like to season it up, and I'm more of an eye seasoner, but I know some people they use they measuring cups and they measuring spoons, but I do it, with my eyes. I guess I do it really the old timey way because back in the day our parents, they didn't really use measuring cups or spoons. They just could guess, and it will come out just right. So I season it up, and I'm going to put it in my pan. It's going to be really good. Now, I might just shock you a little bit to let you know what else I do. Okay, I have my Sprite. I have a Sprite drink. And this is cream of chicken. So, I'm going to pour Sprite in it for my water. But the Sprite, it brings a real good taste to the cream of chicken. And when you pour it on the chicken, it's going to be a really good flavor. Okay, I'm stirring up my cream of chicken. You saw me pour my Sprite in it. I think it's going to be just so delicious. I might just pour a little more Sprite. Just a little more. If you feel comfortable using a cup, that's all right. But I'm just using the can. But if you feel more comfortable using a cup, that is really good. Okay, I'm pouring my cream of chicken. I'm pouring it on my chicken. Ooh. Once it cooks, I'm going to put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you my results of it. Because you're going to really want to try this. This is really some good chicken. So I'll be back in about 40 minutes. Okay? I'm back with my almost finished product. I had my oven at 350 to bake the chicken, and the chicken is done, but I'm not finished with my recipe. I'm putting these gloves on. I know this is going to be delicious. Okay. I'm putting my chicken in my skillet. Oh, looks good. Okay, I take my juice and pour it. Now, this is my finished product. I got tomatoes and green onion. I used 2 tomatoes and I did about 4 green onions. I'm going to use this for my topping. Some people might like to cook it in the oven, but I like it fresh. So I'm putting some on my chicken. You know that look good. I love tomatoes. But I don't think they love me too much. But I love tomatoes. They make your food taste so delicious. Well, I'm finished with my product. You know that look delicious. That look really good. And I already know it's going to taste good. So I'm going to taste me just a little bite. Just a little bit of it. It's seasoned just right. I really wish you could taste some of it. You will love it. But I will encourage you to try it. Well, this is my finished product. I want to encourage you. No matter what you're going through, no matter what you're facing, trust God and keep the faith and He will bring you out. Be blessed until we meet again. Bye.